Have you ever noticed how some people just seem like they're lighter? They're more at ease in their own body, they're steady with their energy without doing anything extreme or completely overhauling their entire lives to stay balanced. So lately, a lot of them have been talking about a small daily habit called the gelatin trick. It's simple, low cost, and really easy to fit into your routine, which is exactly why it's quietly gaining so much attention. So what makes it interesting is how uncomplicated it is. It takes only a few moments to prepare, and it uses basic ingredients that you can find basically at your grocery store, maybe even in your own kitchen already. So no complicated plans, no strict rules, just a small consistent ritual every day. People who practice this habit often describe feeling more comfortable and balanced throughout the day. They mention things like a sense of lightness, improved digestive ease, and more stable energy. Not the kind that spikes and crashes, but the kind that actually helps you stay steady and productive. And over time, that consistency can make it feel easier to stick to a healthier rhythm without forcing crazy changes. And that's the key, you guys. It's not about extreme diets or miracle promises. It's not a magic fix. It's simply a gentle way to support your body with something natural and easy to maintain. Sometimes the smallest habits are the ones that really create the biggest shifts. So if you are curious to see how it works, there is a short video explaining the full step-by-step process in the link down below in the description. It walks you through everything in a very clear way so you can decide for yourself if this simple ritual fits into your routine and your goals. So take a look while it's still available. The link is down below, and see how one small daily action might help you guys feel more balanced, comfortable, and energized in your day-to-day life. Just remember, click the link down below to learn more, and I will see you later. Bye.